Hello and welcome to the video lesson on the roots of government. Today's learning target, by the time you get done with this lesson, you should be able to identify and describe how other documents influence the ideas in our Constitution. Our Constitution wasn't an original idea. It's taken from several documents that you're going to learn about today. And here we go. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to turn to the page indicated by your teacher, and you're going to title this page Roots of American Government. This is where we got a lot of our ideas to make sure that our government, it was best for our people. So you're going to title this Roots of Government, as I said before. You're going to draw a tree. You can do it really simple and title the tree Constitution of 1787. You draw the trunk and a few roots to the influential documents you'll learn about today. So title Magna Carta, English Bill of Rights, Mayflower Compact, and the Declaration of Independence. Please do not draw boxes. You may need more room to write the facts that you need, and you can do that afterwards. At this moment, please pause the video and commence the drawing, and then start it after you are finished. Pause the video. All right, I'm sure that everything looks excellent on your page, and so let's start off with the oldest document, and that is the Magna Carta that was written in 1215. Now, this was a British document that was very influential in controlling the central government, which at that time was the king, who had absolute power. Please read this slide and add to your notes the ideas that we took from the Magna Carta and use in our current government and the government that was written in 1787. You can pause this video now. On to the next document. This is the English Bill of Rights. This was written in 1689. Now, this was intact when we were colonists, but that was one of the problems that we had with the British Parliament and the British King, is that they did not honor our Bill of Rights as Englishmen. But we did take some really great ideas from the English Bill of Rights. Please read over this section and add to your notes the ideas that we took from the English Bill of Rights. You can pause this video now. Of course, this is an oldie but a goodie, and we've talked about this quite a bit. The Mayflower Compact, that was our first self-government in the United States, or I should say the American colonies. The passengers of the Mayflower had to write an organized plan of how they were going to survive and set up rules and regulations for their country, or excuse me, their colony. So at this time, please take any ideas that we still use today or are included in our Constitution to your notes. Please pause this video now. And the last, and probably most important, is the Declaration of Independence that was written by Thomas Jefferson in 1776. As you recall, one of the parts of the Declaration contained all the grievances or complaints against the King of England and the Parliament, and how they have done the colonists wrong and why we were declaring our independence. So we kind of use this as a checklist to make sure that we didn't create another government that would, hurt our our people in our country. So read over this slide and add any influential ideas and ideas that we have in our Constitution today to your notes. Great job so far. You can pause this video now.